For this tutorial you need a ready-made embroidery. Now I'm going to make a pattern for the bottom of the handbag. I decided that the bottom would be oval. Now I need piece of embroidery, matching outer thick fabric, strong inner fabric and cardboard. The inner fabric is leftovers of corset fabric. The entire structure will be held on by corset bands. Cut off the desired piece of fabric. The length of the inner fabric is equal to the perimeter of the bottom, and the height is equal to the height of the embroidered part. The length of the outer fabric is equal to the perimeter of the bottom minus the width of the embroidered part, and the height is equal to the height of the embroidery on the inner fabric. Sew a horizontal tape for the corset bonds. Cut the required number of bonds to the desired length. Be aware of seam allowances. Sew the inner and outer warps separately on a sewing machine or by hand. Before embroidering, I apply a pattern. To do this, I use pens with disappearing ink. After the embroidery is completely finished, I apply water to the lines. They disappear immediately. In this video I will show how I design the edge of the bag and how I imitate snowdrifts on embroidery. To begin with, I measure the length of the tape. This will be a 3-inch wide inner tape. This is my outer fabric and I need twice as much of it. Here is what it looks like. Now all edges must be connected. And sew the entire length like this. Trim is ready, and this is how the edges of the handbag will look. I decided to make 4 more elements. These will be snowdrifts on the sides of the bag. They are different sizes. I decorated everything with clear beads for the effect of ice glitter. In the next video, I'll show you how to put all of this on the bag. The snowdrifts are ready, and now I'm going to work the edges. First, I'm going to get rid of all the unnecessary fabric. I need to be careful not to damage the threads. Now, I'm sewing on the edges of all 4 elements. That's it. Now I'm going to do the same with the trim, and in the next video I'll show how to sew all the elements to the handbag. Finally, the last stage. First, I sew the snowdrifts. Now I'm going to attach the trim. First one side, then the other. I have to sew everything by hand. The sewing and embroidery are completely finished, and tomorrow I will attach the handles.